Hey, what's up everybody? Mr. Boggiano here with Mr. Cameron from Corton Elementary again. We're going to demonstrate to you a good warm-up game which involves teamwork, alright? And this is called the partner paddle rally, alright? So what you are going to do is try to rally, meaning hit an object back and forth as many times as you can, alright? So for equipment, we have for the ball, I should say, we're going to use either a balloon to make it a little bit easier because it will stay afloat longer. For a medium level, we have a beach ball, all right? And for the harder level, we're going to use a sock ball, okay? So, whatever you have at home, if you want to use all three, you can. Otherwise, you can pick one and just roll with it. Now, equipment, you're going to need to make a paddle at home if you don't have one already, okay? We'll talk about that in class, ways to come up and be creative. You could use like a spoon and tape a paper plate on it, right? Different things for this game. Next, you are going to need a playing area. We have 4 cones for the end line. So I got 2 yellow over here for my backstop or my end line, 2 orange for Mr. Cameron's, and then obviously, what do you need to do this game? A net. We use some chairs, flip them backwards, put a hockey stick across the top of it, and we put a parachute over the top. Now you need to be creative at home, come up with your own net. I'm sure you got some chairs, a blanket, a towel, all right? And then you can find something to put across it that will keep it stable, all right? So, how the game will work, I'm gonna serve the ball, okay, with an underhand serve, and then I'm gonna hopefully make it over the net. Then Mr. Cameron's gonna strike it back, okay? So you're working on your underhand striking, overhand, forehand, and backhand, keeping this ball alive. You can count how many times you hit it back and forth, all right? The higher the number, the higher the score. All right, if the balloon hits the floor, it is over. You go back to 0 and restart. Let's give you a quick demo here. Find a good spot, start in the middle, maybe somewhere. Make sure your partner's ready, they're in a ready position. Underhand serve it, send it over. Okay, we're working together, we're counting. We can count if you want. All right, keeping it alive. Keeping it alive, moving your feet. Every pass is not going to be perfect, so you got to read and react. Just make sure you stay on your side. Once the ball or the balloon hits the floor, that is your score, and then you can either reset or you can level up. If I'm going to level up, I'm going to use a mini beach ball, okay? 2 ways you can use the beach ball. You can keep it in the air, all right, or a good modification is you can allow it to bounce once and then hit it if you would like. That's up to you, okay? We're going to try to keep it in the air. Ready, Mr. Cameron? Oh! Finally, the sock ball. Okay, the sock ball is not going to bounce as much. You're going to have to read and react and use your quick feet more, all right? Go, Mr. Cameron, you ready? Oh. Alright, so I want you to work with a partner, okay? We'll work on your cooperation, okay? Collaboration here. Volleying it back and forth. Once you continue the ball, the moving back and forth, that's where what is called a rally, alright? Work together and enjoy.